Chippy,
Yo!
you want to switch with me, mate? Because you'll be able to get a shot. Then. Right, see about 11 o'clock then, just go under the trees.
One moving right.
See them?
Get him. Get him here. You see his leg?
So many.
That leg is fucking funny.
Whoa!
Seen it?
I got all right. Dude, take the firing slot.
Hi.
Andy, man up.
Yeah, they're going right round. They're going right round.
Andy, back to that wall. They're trying to just leapfrog up the fire break, mate.
Nothing, man.
He's dead or alive. He's just fucking standing there.
Dude, watch yourself coming around that right hand side.
Move around the right again. Right round.
Left, just get the medic up. Fucking find him again.
Through!
Claymore, watch yourself.
One dead. He's dead. Half the time you can't even hear them even if they do shout. It's the problem with these woods.
Can't see any more down that way.
Yeah,
Are they all
so you guys,
leapfrog
you've
right
got a
up on the
runner.
right?
Chippy, runner.
Where? Like I'm
Heading
going to hit
round
him
to
if he's
about
fucking
your,
legging it.
What, 2 o'clock now?
Fuck.
See him.
You get medic? Have you got a life?
I'll get him, Andy.
There you go.
Dude, that was right in your fucking face. He's moving. He's blasted. Two rounds in his. Come on,
There, over on to the shadow.
Got him.
Not him. 1, 2 trees to your right.
Over his shoulder. Over his shoulder. Fucking again.
Clay, take the fire. Clay. In here. 2 o'clock. Take the through there. Go down. 2 o'clock.
Watch out.
If you're hit, stand up!
No.
You've got your hand up, you're lying on the deck.
Yeah.
Stand up!
Got it, man.
He's gone behind cover. You don't have a shot.
Scapey's floating about here. What? I know, but the guy's in there still got his hand up, he's lying dead.
Scapey, come back. Yeah, Scapey, you check out these boys that are between village and Bethraz, just kind of a little bit towards the missile base. I think one of them's got his hand up, but he's still lying down.
See, stick. See the fallen tree.
What the fuck, mate?
Come
on.
Some of the round.
No. Aye.
Come
on, stick your head out.
They're still lying down when they're ready.
I'll just keep shooting them until they stand up.
Oops.
Glassy steamed up, Andy.
Aye.
Sorry, I'm screwed up.
Okay, he's medicing him. Yep, you got him. Oh, the medic's still alive there too. That's him dead.
That sounded sore.
Guys, you're in Claymore.
Hang on. Hit. Dead.
Andy. Yeah? Dead. Oh.
Your brother or me?
Hang on, I still need my tag. Back in.
Yeah.
Want my tag there?
Yo!
If you can spare time, mate, you might be able to knock on the back here. Watch the back. I think we've got guys behind us.
Hit. I'm out.
Ah, hat. You be ready. Thank you.
Oh. Shit, okay. Dead man walking!
Through, where are they?
They're spread to the right as well, though, mate. Heavy fire for you to the right.
Mate.
Move.
If you're back in, you could have tagged him back in.
Yeah,
I'm dead, I'm trying to think of him to know.
Surprise. How to you? You get covered?
One with the 249 or the M60.
Right.
In that bunker over.
Ha!
There's two in that bunker.
Is this your first hit?
Second hit.
You've befrazed, do you know what that is?
No.
Follow. See that boy that's just walked out with the black top on? Didn't like that tooth anyway. Medic! Tag me. Oh, tag me in.
Me?
Oh, yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Fuck, I've just been hit.
Back in!
I've just been hit.
Do you know you can get to 5?
I didn't get to 5.
I ain't standing up, man.
Too close.
Right down the fucking shot.
Right. Where the fuck do you want to get in?
For fuck's sake! Man, both my hands are up!